Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and V8 engine. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.